Good afternoon, my name is Micah Plemons and I'm an armor and manufacturing technician here at Tactical Kinetics. Today we're going to be going over function and accuracy testing. As part of our mission here at Tactical Kinetics to bring you superior performance from our barrels, we hold our products to the highest level of industry standards. All of our barrels go through rigorous testing both on and off the range. This ensures that you, the customer, can be confident in your rifle's ability and level of performance before you even send rounds downrange. Today, I will be going over some of our testing procedures, specifically function testing and accuracy testing. Function testing is an examination of a barrel concerning its mechanical condition and operation. These tests are a good way to know if your barrel is functionally sound and ready to advance to the next phase of use. Today, we have a 16.5-inch medium contour AR-10 barrel in 308. It has 1 in 10 rifling, mid-length gas, and is constructed out of 416R stainless steel. This barrel comes blasted in the white or nitride. Today I have the blasted barrel. There are multiple ways to function test a barrel. This is the procedure I use to ensure that my barrel is safe to use and functioning as it should be. Here are the steps that I take. I ensure that the weapon is unloaded, chamber clear, and on safe. I point the weapon in a safe direction, open the action, place a round into the chamber, and seat it fully into the throat of the barrel, checking for a tight fit or to see if anything is hindering smooth travel by your cartridge. Now that we know that nothing is in the chamber that would cause an issue, we're going to do the same test but with a magazine. Load up a magazine with 3 to 5 rounds. Work the bolt manually to have the barrel loaded from the magazine, looking for anything outside of a smooth function. Load up another magazine of 3 to 5 rounds. This time, fire your weapon of the rounds in the magazine, checking to see if the rifle will mechanically load the rifle without any malfunctions. Now that we have ensured that our barrel is functionally sound, we are going to move on to our second phase of testing, the accuracy testing portion. Typically, we perform accuracy testing at 100 yards, and that is how far we will be shooting today. The main concern in our accuracy testing is the stability of your rifle. You want the rifle on an even platform. When accuracy testing, I try to eliminate as many outside variables as I can. All shooting is shoulder fired, bench rest with a forward mounted bipod. Here are the steps that I use. Zero the scope and condition the virgin barrel with 10 to 20 shots. Allow barrel to cool. Clean barrel with a dry patch or bore snake. Shoot the first 3-round group. Allow barrel to cool again and shoot the second 3-round shot group.
Action.
So we try to take out a lot of variables when it comes to testing. So when we do our accuracy testing, we don't use a magazine and we don't use a muzzle device just to take out that factor. So for my accuracy testing, I'm going to load each round by hand, one at a time. Okay, so we've come down here and checked our testing. And we've done well in some areas, did poorly in others, but it gives us enough data to where we can go back to the drawing board and take it to the engineers and say, you know, this is how we performed and this is what it done, and they can use that data to do the checks that they need to check on and go back to the drawing board if need be. So what did we learn from this? We look for a 3/4 inch grouping. It has to meet this accuracy requirement to pass the test. If not, we go back to the drawing board. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for more videos from Tactical Kinetics.